Oh, that's cool.
Here's some steps.
Color Wonder poster.
The markers won't work outside of...
Oh, only on the paper? Really?
That's excellent.
That's a neat trick. Yeah, that's cool. Thing right on anything and it doesn't come up. That's so cool. Wow, it's Color Wonder. They're magic. They only work on this poster. Uh-oh.
Here's mine. Well, it's supposed to be.
Is that all?
Maybe.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Okay, Dad.
Go.
You ready to fight?
Yeah, that one.
Ricky on the...
Hey, Mikey, here, open this one.
Thank you.
Oh, silly
Is this the
dog.
last one?
I think so, maybe.
Is this the last one?
Maybe.
Here's the last one. Then you have to go back and look at everything again.
Yeah, put it together and start playing with it all. Oh, this whole little doggy bag thing. You still got more in it.
Who's the dog?
No.
Oh, yeah, you gotta open your stocking still, Mikey.
What they got this
What you got this time? Something cool, I bet. Ha ha ha, yeah, rip it up.
Oh.
What? Painting by numbers. Oh, it's got paints. Oh, that's so cool. And the different, see, each color's got a number. And then on these, it'll show you, it'll have a number on them, and you just paint by numbers. It tells you what colors to put in.
Chocolate.
Cool, huh?
All right, new slippers. My slippers died.
Oh.
And I need to get
Nice little
some.
big hole. Just rip.
Oh, man. And I still got one more gift out of the truck.
Oh, nice ones.